Hey everybody, welcome back to the Gramophone channel. You probably know me, I'm Luke, but this is my friend Jeff, and he is the marketing director for the distributed brands of the Macintosh Group, or what we also know as Fine Sounds America. I interviewed Jeff in a recent video where we introduced you to the idea of balanced audio and turntables, which is a whole new concept from Pro-Ject. But now we're going to get a little bit more specific and talk about the very entry point of this idea. That's going to be a Pro-Ject X1B, B for balanced, and the new S3B Phono stage. Jeff, why is this an incredible entry point to people either new to vinyl or those who are looking for the next tier in their vinyl journey?
So the X1B, really great turntable as a standalone product. This is a really nice upgrade from our most popular line, the debut series. Heavier plinth, heavier platter, more sophisticated tone arm, just generally a much higher performance player for people looking to make that next step in a really high performance analog playback. The Sumiko Rainier. Wonderful award-winning cartridge, $149 at retail, that we ship on a lot of our better tables.
The cheat code that we decided to do was to take the Sumiko Blue Point No. 3, a new and very awesome phono cartridge, by the way, which is moving coil, and drop that into the X1B. To get the truly balanced experience, you need a moving coil, because moving coils, by their own nature, are inherently balanced.
X1's a fantastic candidate for doing cartridge upgrades. Carbon fiber wrapped aluminum tone arm does a wonderful job tracking, works with a wide range of both moving magnet and moving coil cartridges. So right away, we now have a balanced source in our phono cartridge. Next step is we take the new balanced Phono Cable.
I love these cables, by the way. They're so convenient.
For anybody who's ever connected a turntable, you know the pain. Upside down, trying to get the ground connector to actually screw tight down. This is a really wonderful positive action connector. But what's especially cool here is both channels, positive and negative, are maintained separately from the chassis ground inside the turntable. So we take that signal and we plug it into the back of our most affordable, true balanced phono preamp.
The S3B, B obviously for balance. Take the great preamps that Pro-Ject's always been known for, add in the dedicated mini XLR connector, boom, you've got your balanced in, and for balanced out, it just comes out through traditional full-size 3-pin XLR left and right. Balanced, straight to your ears all the way through.
Something that we do like to point out though, for those of you that maybe don't have balance running from your preamp to power amp, maybe you've got a single-leaded connection, the biggest benefit that you're gonna notice by running balanced in a phono rig is absolutely from the phono cartridge to the phono preamp.
And I remember when you made that point to me when we were talking in our last video, this is the most sensitive signal. Stop the noise here.
And I love giving our cousins over at both Rotel and the Michi side and our cousins at Macintosh a hard time because they'll come in with this 120-pound power amplifier. I'll pick up our little lowly Phono Box S3B and say, you know what? Electrically, this guy's actually producing more gain and doing more work than your 120-pound amplifier because we're taking that tiny electrical signal, 0.3, 0.4 millivolts, and we're taking it all the way up to a 4-volt line level signal coming out to the back of the XLR plugs. So that's a lot of gain. Really important that that's done as quietly, as noise-free as humanly possible.
Just don't ever tell Ken Zelen that. He'll use his Kung Fu on you.
Oh my gosh, I stay away from Ken's Kung Fu. He's a formidable opponent.
So guys, I hope you've really enjoyed this overview. The X1B is an awesome turntable for anyone new to the hobby that wants to come in with something state-of-the-art. Check out Sky by Gramophone. We're gonna have Pro-Ject turntables all over the place. Click the link down below. Better yet, come experience what this is all about for yourself. Give us a call, swing by any of the locations. You know you can find us in Timonium, Columbia, in Gaithersburg, Maryland. And of course, don't forget to stop by our beautiful Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, because beautiful sounds deserve a beautiful room to live in. Well, that's about it for the breakdown, everyone. Jeff, I just want to say thanks so much for deciding to swing by. You came all the way from Texas, didn't you?
All the way from Austin, Texas.
Not exactly a swing, more like a big throw.
And I would do it again. Thanks so much for having me.
Absolutely. Well, it's been fun hanging out with you, being able to try out these products, and being able to do it on some really good other stuff, too. You guys stay tuned. Appreciate you, man.